welcome to Sisters Playtime. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sisters Playtime. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Willow.
And today we are going to be making
slime.
We are super excited. We both love slime. We will be making a liquid starch recipe. There's a lot of different ways to make slime. We will put the instructions and ingredients down below in the description box. So today you will need, do you remember what this is called?
Liquid starch.
Good job. Liquid starch.
A bowl of water.
A bowl of water. Elmer's glue, you can use clear, white, or if you want to make it fancy, you can use glitter glue. We are using white glue today because that is what we had. What is that dance move? Is that your Egyptian dance move? And then our favorite part of the recipe, what is the last thing you need? Glitter. So this is an optional step, but I think it's the best part of slime. We have our food coloring. We have yellow and green, and then we have tons of glitter. You can add sequins. You can add googly eyes. You can add whatever you want to your slime. Okay, so the first thing you want is you want to use 1/4 of a cup of Elmer's glue. So I will measure it out. We use it.
Can I put mine in?
Yes, this is going to measure it for you.
Ooh, it's like pea. It's like white pea.
Okay, you put that one in. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want 1/8 of a cup of water.
Cup of water?
An
What's
eighth
that?
of a cup. There's your water. Pour it in, and there you go.
And mix it?
Yeah, mix those two together. After you add 1/8 of a cup of water, you want to mix it really, really well until it is completely together, the water and the glue. Alright, the next step after you mix the glue and the water is to add the color, glitter, confetti, whatever you want to put into your slime. What color do you want to make leave your slime white or add color? Color? Do you want green or yellow? Or both? Both? Okay.
So I can see which color I get.
Okay. And remember, just a few drops.
Can I do?
Yeah.
1.
Oh, we accidentally got 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you want it more yellow or more green?
1 yellow.
Okay, so we'll put about 6 drops in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And so the more drops you get, the more pigmented it'll be. So mix that all together. And Sissy's going to remember to hold the bowl. Sissy's going to make her slime green.
Don't forget yellow.
I just want green. I'm going to make a light green. Ooh, your slime's looking pretty.
Your slime looks pretty too.
Oh, thank you.
We get light green.
What?
We get light green.
Yeah. Okay.
You get a pretty green too.
So the first thing, do you want to show it to them? So mine is more of a minty green, and hers is more of a yellowy green. Those are pretty.
What's a yellow green?
A yellowy green?
Ooh, my
Okay,
hands
what color glitter do you want?
I think I want 2.
Okay.
I want the glittery hot pink and also the red.
Glittery hot pink and red?
Mm-hmm.
Or do you want, it would be pretty glittery hot pink and silver. Okay. Sissy is going to put,
Do we put them in now?
so here, let's just, yeah, you just pop the top off and shake however much you want. Sissy is going to use these little sequins.
It's your slime, and you can put how much glitter you want.
Yeah, you can never add too much glitter. Oop.
Mine is going to be a hot disco ball.
Oops, Sissy used all her sequins on accident. Yeah, so you can put whatever you want. Googly eyeballs are always fun. Sissy's going to do the sequins, and then clear glitter, and maybe some black.
You can put too much glitter however you want. Shake those sprinkles.
Oh my, you have lots of glitter in there.
Yeah, I'm a glitter fan.
You're a glitter fan? Okay, start mixing yours up. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, mix out all this. This got lots of glitter.
Me too.
Okay. So you're supposed to do, sis messed up and wrote her recipe wrong. You want 1/4 of a cup of water, so we only added 1/8. So there's that. And you give us 1/8 more. And then you mix that up. And then we want 1/8 of a cup of liquid starch. Okay, there we go.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
Okay, let me pour this in. Oh, move your hand. Now mix that all up. It should start becoming slimy.
There's a pepper in there.
Is it becoming slimy? And so with slime, the more you work it, the slimier the better it becomes. And so if you're making your slime and it's way too watery, you can just add a little bit more liquid starch. Or if it's too sticky, you can add some more water. But so as you can see,
it's too much. It's much more watery.
okay, keep stirring it. So as you can see, it starts forming slime.
Oh, it's coming into slime. Mix it. Mix it. Mix it.
So there's mine. Turn it forward. There you go.
Mine
Yours
is
is
so.
still watery. Let's see, do some mixing. You have lots of glitter.
Maybe that's the problem.
Oh, your eyeballs are on the side. Get your eyeballs back in there.
Oh, silly eyeballs. Ew.
Get a big bunch. Ready? Go.
Oh.
You still got some. You can just pull it off. Slime, good slime, you should just be able to pull right off your fingers if it gets stuck. Whoa. Ooh, so they got a lot. Once you're done with your slime, make sure you put it in containers and save it if you want to play with it later. Don't leave it out because it'll get bad pretty fast, won't it? Yeah, so we got little containers to put it in for ourselves. You can get them at like the Dollar Tree or just put it in a Tupperware bowl, or a Ziploc bag works too, to keep. So if you ever play with don't play with dolls with real hair. As you can see, Willow's doll has like plastic hair. Don't play with dolls with real hair in the slime because that will ruin it. Any kind of plastic doll or material. Don't play with like Barbies with material clothes on because that will ruin their clothes or their hair. So make sure to play with just plastic toys in your slime.
Like LOL.
Yeah, you can play with LOLs.
But when they suck out the slime, then they are ruined.
Oh, yeah, don't suck up the slime like you can do with the water. Thank you guys for watching this video where we made some cool slime. If you tried the recipe out, comment down below. And also, if you follow us on Instagram, you can tag us in your Instagram pictures of you and your slime. That would be awesome. Let us know what else you want to see. We are going to try to make some, is that what they're called, squishums? We're going to try to make some squishums and do some other fun stuff. So make sure you stay tuned for all of our future videos. Thank you guys again for watching.
Make sure to give a big jumbo thumbs up.
Make sure to give a big jumbo thumbs up and subscribe to our channel down below. See you all next time. Bye.